What's up, guys? You already know who it is, man. It's your boy, Coach Cam. Back in the building, dog. It's been a while. I haven't made a lot of videos because I've been receiving a lot of business adventures. I've been closing contracts, man. I've been busy, guys. And I've been watching this market tank ever since January, man. We've been just coming down ever since January 2022, right? So just to make this video short, sweet, and simple, just please keep in mind that the levels that everyone is waiting on is going to be somewhat down here between 363. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say 364. Between 363, 364 is the levels that the market is watching. Everybody is curious to see what's going to happen at this level of support, whether we're going to come to a double bottom or we're going to break through this thing and retest, right? I just said a lot and didn't show anything, so let me find something that I can draw. Hang on here. How about a brush? All right, so we're checking to see if we're going to come here and make a bounce, or we're checking to see if we're going to break through this, retest the area, and continue to the downside. All right. So that's pretty much what the market is waiting on right now, whether we break through this support level, do a retest, continue to the downside, or what we, do a little bounce and then head to the downside, right? Basically, I mean, guys, as well as technical analysis, keep in mind fundamentals as well, especially at this point, because there's a lot that's actually going on right now, man. There's a lot that's pretty much going on right now with inflation. The Feds are hiking the interest rate still. So it's just like we gotta look at more than just being technical at this point. I want this. I'm trying to do this on my phone, guys, but what I want to show y'all is like the next level down, right? Which will be like right here. So if we were to come down, because I'm not hearing anything good, and honestly, there's a lot of people preparing for 2023 already. It's crazy, but it's facts. So if we was to break this thing and we were to retest, like the next distance down could be about 320, right? I don't even know if we'll make it down that far, but I'm just saying that's the next leg down. If we were to make it that far, man, please understand that at this point, the world has announced a recession, which no one is saying that we're in a recession right now, besides people like Kathy Woods, or I mean, there's a couple people that's saying that we are in a recession, and then I guess the world hasn't pronounced it yet, guys. So I'm just telling you things to watch for. And right now, it's definitely going to be this area that between 363, 364, man. We're going to see if we're going to get a bounce here or we're going to break through that thing. It's going to be real interesting. But if we're not hearing any good news, it's hard to understand what the market priced in and what they didn't price in. Like, that's the tricky part. Recently, they talked about 75 basis points. So you will hear some people say, oh, it's already priced in, and some people saying, yeah, I don't think that it's priced in. So that's just something to watch for. But even after the rate hike, like, what's next? Like, is the world coming back together? Like, like what's next, guys? So you gotta look at it from both points right now, as well as technical. You gotta look at it from a fundamental point of view. But I'm Coach Kim out, man. Oh yeah, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff that I really don't care 100% about, because again, I'm busy and I come to you guys whenever it is that I have something to talk about. I'm just not pushing content on you to make it sound good and to get a lot of followers and all that good stuff, man. Let's make some money together. Also, another thing, I didn't want to ramble on so long, but it's important to know, if you guys are trading option contracts, check it out, man. Everyone is fearful right now, all right? But whenever you feel like you catch the market when it's down a little bit, man, you can start doing 2 years, 2-year contracts. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, own due diligence. Again, just let you guys know what it is that worked for me. But if you were to actually get into 2-year positions every time a leg comes down, you know what I'm saying? Like, at some point, one contract will make up for 2 or 3 that may not be profitable for you. You understand what I'm saying? I don't have a lot of time to elaborate that information, but basically what I am saying, if you were to open up a contract here, which I probably wouldn't because there's too much bad news going on. If you're to open up a contract somewhere right here, and in 2 years, or let's just say 6 months pass by and we're still at the bottom, then you can open up another one, right? And what'll happen is at some point we're gonna start turning around. It's inevitable. It is. But do we know when? No magic crystal ball. But if you look at the data and you look at how many times the market was ended positive versus negative, then you will see that the market ended up way more than it has ever ended down. So do your research on that. So just know that while everyone is scared, there's someone out there that's adding on 2-year positions, and they're gonna win. Like when all of the noise go away, they're gonna already be in 300 and 400% profit already. So just keep in mind, man, don't give up. Now is the biggest time for wealth transfers to actually occur. So keep in mind that somebody is investing somewhere while everybody is scared. Thank you guys for watching.